I just got back from one of the most incredible conferences that I've ever been to, and I've been going to conferences for over 10 years. This was not one of those conferences where you go and you take a lot of notes and then you come home and you're all excited, you're ready to put things into action, and you put the notebook up on the shelf and then you never do anything with it. This conference was inspirational, it was motivational, it was eye-opening. It was all the things that we look for to become better people and better in our businesses. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why it's so important as a visionary entrepreneur and real estate agent to attend conferences. And then make sure to stick around because I'm going to give you 5 massive tips on how you can maximize the cost that you have involved in going to these conferences so you can look at it as an investment in yourself and an investment in your business. Welcome to Modern Agent Entrepreneur, where we help people build scalable businesses and create generational wealth with something as simple as a real estate license.
I know I did this in the last video where I held the license and I don't actually have it in my hand.
So if you want to learn more about becoming an entrepreneur in real estate and creating generational wealth, you're going to want to hit the subscribe button down below because there's more content that we're going to be putting out to help you reach those financial goals, to become the person that you want to become, and to live the life of your dreams. It's really as simple as that. Here's a little secret though. It's simple, not easy. Okay, so you're paying good money for these conferences and you might as well get the most amount of value out from going, right? The question is, well, how do you do that? So in a minute, I'm going to share with you my 5 specific tips that you can do before, during, and after every conference to see it as an investment and not a cost. Now, before I do that, it's important to understand that this particular conference was much different, like I mentioned, than any conference that I've been to. And I've been going to them for the last 10 years. I've done real estate conferences, network marketing conferences, and I've done personal development conferences. So what was the big difference with this one, right? Well, let me just explain to you what it was first, so you have some context out of how this all shook out. This event was called Build 22. It was held in Dallas, Texas at the Gaylord Resort, which if you haven't been to, this place is awesome. It's so cool. If you're ever in Dallas, make sure you take a trip there and check it out. Now, this event had all the bells and whistles from the Dallas Cowboys DJ, spinning records, mixing it up, getting the crowd hype, to visionary entrepreneurs and real estate agents who are making a huge impact, not only in their lives and their businesses, but for those around them, for those in their community. We also had Dean Graziosi, and the conference ended with the one and only Tony Robbins. 5 hours of Tony Robbins. Okay, so here's the thing. Big names, lots of excitement. Other conferences have had that too. But what was different here? Here's the difference. This conference was not about selling more homes or necessarily making more money. What this conference was about was building a legacy. And a legacy, by definition, is leaving wealth and or material property in your will. And don't we all want to create a financial future for us and our families and our kids and our grandkids? Of course we do. And that's what this conference was all about. And not only are we learning new things when we go to these conferences, we're getting inspired, we're getting motivated, we're getting excited. And for some of us, it's very exciting. You know, some of us like to sit in our seats, take notes, do what we need to do and go. But in order to get up and dance and stand on your seats and act like a crazy person in some instances,
Not crazy like crazy, Looney Bin crazy.
but out of our comfort zone, that's when we grow. Another reason to go to conferences is to meet new people, establish new relationships. When you have a few thousand people that are all gathering together for the same common good, it's a natural progression that you're going to meet new people and establish new relationships. You also get to rekindle old friendships, people you haven't seen in a while. Collaboration partners, referral partners. If you're in real estate, being able to refer business back and forth. That's huge. And probably the most important reason why we should all be going to conferences is personal growth. When we're in these environments, it allows us to think bigger. And when we think bigger, it gives us the opportunity to do bigger things. When we do those bigger things, we're stepping out of our comfort zone. And as I mentioned before, that's where the growth happens. Basically, what this boils down to as far as why you should go to conferences is because your business will only grow to the level that you do. All right, now on to what we should be doing after the conference, right? Once the excitement dies down, once the energy's gotten low, you've returned back to your normal routine, what should we do, right? I'm gonna answer that question right now. Number 1, this is the 24-hour rule. What it means is you have exactly 24 hours from the time that you leave the conference to review your notes, go through them, internalize them, rewrite them if you need to, because after 24 hours, the shelf life of that information is slowly going away. You can't tap into the same feelings and emotions that you had while you were there at the conference. So take care of all your notes and go back through everything within 24 hours. Number 2, go through all of your business cards, all of your new personal connections, and enter all of this information into your CRM. Put these people into a database. Make sure you're reaching out to them within a few days, whether it's a phone call, a text, or an email address. Let them know how nice it was to meet them, and put some notes in your CRM so you can follow up with them. These people need to know that you are in the market with them so they can send you referrals, and so you can send referrals to them. So make sure and go through all those contacts, sort them out, put them in your database, and make sure you're contacting them, right? Number 3, and this one is probably my favorite. It's the most fun. Most likely there was a speaker, there was a person, a presenter, somebody at the conference that had a huge impact on you. Personally, professionally, spiritually, somebody there had an impact on you. So reach out to one of those people. It doesn't matter what their status is. You can reach them on any of the social network platforms and send them a direct message. Thank them for their content. Let them know how it influenced you, how it impacted you. Because part of the reason why these people do this is to provide value to us. And when they can get the feedback from us that what they're doing, what they're saying is impactful, that will inspire them to continue to do that. Because if they inspired you, that means they probably inspired somebody else. And it's our job to make sure we're fueling them with enough inspiration that they will keep doing it to provide this to more people. Number 4, choose the top 3 to 5 and no more than 5 things from your notes from the conference that you are going to implement in your life and in your business right away. Now, these are actions that should take you one step closer towards your goal. There are a lot of things that you can bring back from these conferences that you want to do, but pick 3 to 5 actions that you can take that are directly related to the result, the goals that you're trying to reach in your life and in your business. And if you're not sure on exactly how to do that, I have a video up here for you on how to effectively time block and be able to choose the things in your life and your business that are most important to make sure that that's what ends up on your calendar. So after this video, you can take a look at that one if you want, if you think it would be helpful for you. Number 5, track your activities. It's impossible to know where you're going if you don't know where you're at now. And each day that's changing in our lives and our businesses as to where we are and where we're going. Make sure and track those activities, especially the ones that are specifically related to your overall goals. Now, here's a trick to that, and most people don't know about this because we get so obsessed with our goals and our results that we forget about one thing. We tend to lose sight on the process, right? The things that we're doing on a daily basis. Some people would call that the grind. We take for granted all the work we're putting in the process because we're so focused on the result that we end up losing that focus. So my suggestion to you is be obsessed with the process, not the goal. All right, well, I don't know about you, but I'm excited to start implementing some of this stuff. And hopefully you found value in this video. Share it with a friend. Make sure and give it a like. Hit the subscribe button down below, and I will keep creating videos to help you become a visionary entrepreneur with simply a real estate license. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, we'll see you.